What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to start building out our new group creation component. But first, I have to address a couple of changes that I have made in the project. If you have not been following this series from the previous videos, I have been using hooks, right? In higher order components, which are our chat and chat.jsx and also main.jsx. So this is all state right now, but I was using hooks. I was using useState and useEffect, and but I have have to quite I still haven't quite fully understand or grasped a few concepts of how the hooks work. Basically, I had a few problems with too many render cycles, so I have switched back to normal class component style, and this honestly works for me great. So thankfully, I didn't have to make too many changes, only in main component and also the chat component. Those are the only two major changes that I have made, and also I have created this chat events. I have committed all this code onto GitHub, so if you guys want, you can clone it. The link will be in the description, so go check it out. So let's enough talk. Let's actually start writing our component. So today we're going to start with a component called new group. So you guessed it, this is basically going to be a new group creation. So what do you want over here? I'm going to say IMRC, obviously, because now we are working with React component. So, and also CCS, I believe. CSS, what was it? CC, yeah, class component constructor. So I want this to be named as new group, right? Same as our file name. That's great. So inside our state, we want a property called data, and inside this, for now, I want only a name property, right? And let's start writing our HTML inside. So first, we want a same class as we had something inside our input component, right? So I'm just gonna quickly copy this because this is what we want essentially, and also let's wrap all of this inside a div. So I'm gonna copy this, sorry, I'm gonna cut this and paste it inside over here, and let's quickly deconstruct our state. I'm gonna say constant um, equals this dot state, right? And I'm gonna deconstruct our name. Oh, not name, excuse me. It's gonna be data, and then also I'm gonna deconstruct our name property inside data. So, oops, name. There we go. And let's replace this, all of this set. So this is gonna be this dot set name. I'm gonna change that value. This is gonna be set name as well. There we go. No, this is not gonna be set name. This is gonna be null for now. Let's change that later. What else? What else? What else? This is gonna be create group, I believe. Yeah, this dot create group. Actually, let's not point this to anything right now. Let's let's just remove this altogether. And yeah, I also want this name property at some point, but we're gonna remove that as well. So yeah, now that our arrows are gone, let's quickly write a class name inside here. So it's gonna be padding y of 2, padding x of 4, and width of 100, and then border bottom. These are all, I think, custom classes, and then border info, and also dg D large block, DG, DLG, BLOCK, and then obviously it's going to be sticky top, sticky dash top, and then I want this to be BG white. There we go. Those are all our classes for writing the input. So let's quickly render this inside our chat, right? So where do we want this? Let's render this inside over here for now. New group, right? Let's import this on the top as well. I'm gonna say import new group. There we go. And let's pass in some of the properties. So do we want anything for now? No, we don't want anything. I think this is pretty much it. New group. Yeah, so let's see how this looks. I'm gonna quickly run our project. So yeah, this is how it looks for now. Obviously we don't want this send button, so we're gonna remove that. So let's quickly remove that now. So I'm gonna get rid of this, right? And also, yeah, I think this is pretty much it, right? Yeah. So instead of type a message, I want to say type a name, right? And also this is going to be name because it's a group name. And let's write this function now. Let's write set message. So set name, sorry, excuse me. And I'm gonna say function and say this dot set state, right? Set state, excuse me. This is gonna be data inside, and it's gonna be our name property. Splendid. Also, so this is inside data. So we want to, we don't want to do something like this. The best way to do is to actually spread this dot state dot data is to spread this first and then actually write this along. So data dot name equals name, and then actually pass in just the data variable, data constant, excuse me. So yeah, this is how it should definitely be done. So let's quickly put a label above because this is kind of dubious. We don't exactly know what this is. So here just down our div, I'm gonna say label, right? This is gonna have some class. It's gonna say form dash control and form label, I think. I might be wrong, I don't know. And let's say group name. Let's see how this looks. Oh, that doesn't look good. Am I missing something? Oh, I think it's form control label. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. It's kind of annoying that this doesn't really match the height of this div, our username div. But I think we cannot change that because, well, this is a fixed height. And I don't really want to change any bootstrap classes. So we're just gonna deal with this for now. And so yeah, this is it for the video. I'm trying to keep this video short uh, as much as possible because I don't want to create a 20-minute video just explaining me ranting about stuff. This doesn't really help. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm gonna render our connected users. Whichever users that are connected, I'm gonna render, and then we're gonna keep them selectable. So yeah, in the next video, we're gonna do that. I'll see you guys then. Bye bye.